I'm Brad at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to report a direct message you receive on TikTok. So first we'll click the inbox tab on the bottom near the middle there, and then we're going to go to a particular message. Let's see, I sent myself a DM here. Now, if this is the first message you've received, you will see mark this message as safe. You can report or mark safe. There's your easy report method right there. Now, if you have been messaging this person already, let's say you've already marked it safe and been messaging them a while, what you'll have to do is tap and hold on that particular chat that they sent you, and then you click report on the very bottom there, and you can select whichever reason you like. I'm just going to go with other. Sometimes it might ask you to put some detail about it, but when you're ready, just click either report and block and it'll block them, or just report and it'll report that specific message. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.